Hey guys, today I'm driving the 2021 Toyota Corolla Hybrid, and I usually don't speak on my videos, but I thought it would be nice to share my thoughts with every car that I test drive. So here's a startup for the 2021 Toyota Corolla Hybrid. Let's go outside for a walk now. Pretty decent amount of trunk space. Doesn't come with a spare tire, but it has a emergency tire puncture repair kit. Rear seats, pretty nice. Press this button here. Fold them back. Pretty decent amount of space back here. Nice fabric armrest, fabric seats too. Only one pocket here on the passenger seat. Cup holders. Now let's check out the engine bay. Electric motor. Pretty nice car. So we have drive modes here. There's eco, normal mode, power mode, dashboard. It's got your eco score there, your total average miles per gallon, distance to empty 561 miles. This is a pretty good gas consumption car. Full tank will give you around 600 miles. Unfortunately, there's no digital speedometer. Something that I like on my preference, but it's okay. No big deal. The infotainment system. The 8-inch infotainment system. Comes with Android Auto as well, and Apple CarPlay. So it's pretty convenient. Got your maps here. Apps. Just leave it on Android Auto. Reverse camera. got one USB port here, another one here. Pretty decent size glove box. Sun visors. Oh, they don't extend, just this part. Dome lights. Got your EV mode here, your traction control off button here, your hold button here. But yeah, let's take this to the drive. Let's take this for a drive and see how it does. As you can see, it has I've drove Teslas before, and this car, it has a sound. It feels like a Tesla. It mimics the sounds of the Tesla with its electric. Go our seatbelt warning. You go. Let's put it on eco mode first. Pretty good feeling, very soft. I'm impressed that there's no road noise. This car is fairly quiet. Got lane keep assist. Let's try that right now. Yeah, works perfect. Let's put it on power mode right now and try the 0 to 60 acceleration right here. Okay, not so quick, but you know, people that are driving are gonna buy this car, they're not worried about speed, they're just buying it for gas consumption. So yeah. So let's merge into the highway, guys, and show you the acceleration one more time. Miles per hour. It's not bad. Right, we're in the highway, and this car has a steering assist. That's why I said in the beginning it feels like a Tesla, because Like it's like a little mini autopilot. Let me activate it right now. So first you activate cruise control right here, and you activate radar assist. See, steering assist active. So I'm not holding the wheel, and C works perfectly fine. So you hold steering wheel. One more time. So, see you guys. There you go. This one doesn't have blind spot monitors, but I'm sure it's an add-on package that you could get. Alright, let's test out the sound system on this. Let's see. Alright, so sound system's pretty good. It sounds like a high-end luxury car. Nice rich bass. Very, very nice quality. The driving also feels amazing. The steering's amazing. Like the steering is so soft, super soft. And as well, like I mentioned before, there's no road noise. I have a manual SE Corolla, and you could hear a lot of road noise in that car. And I'm surprised this one is very quiet, and it's not expensive at all. 24,000 MSRP. Alright guys, so I'm gonna wrap the video here. Thank you so much for watching. Reverse parking. Here's the key fob. Here's the honk test. My eco score was 69. I was flooring it. It says good eco driving, use hybrid system indicator to improve. So obviously whoever's purchasing this car is going to drive this car very conservative and try to achieve the best mileage or the best score to improve your range. Oh, and this has a smart key entry, so you can lock it and unlock.